G'day mate, it's just a little tour. So there she goes this morning, start. Now it's still got the standard carby, one screw for the mixture. I wanted to see if guys do the pouring on these, port these cells themselves. I like to show what they're capable of. So I have got a twin mixture screw carby, which I have to modify because funny enough the carby doesn't open fully. It doesn't, that's the way the butterfly is that the lever on the side hits the side of the carby, so you get full open up, so I'll fix that. But let's just see what she's like this morning. It's pretty hot, we're about 31 degrees, so I won't use choke. How is that? Now I might have to adjust this as I go, I don't know. Doesn't sound good though. Well, we'll do some softwood first. Oh, that's jacaranda. Everyone loves jacaranda. That little stuff. We'll go some hardwood. That beats there, folks. I think I'm filming the right piece of wood. Oh guys, here's up wood. That one up there, here we go. Big size so I can get to it. Not too bad, nothing special. I need to get too much fuel at the top end. So my boss wanted me to cut some of this stuff down. A guy dumped off this from a truck, and so normally he takes his mirror out of his truck. So he asked me to cut this off. I'll cut the small ones off first, then go the big one. I'll tell you why. It sticks out quite far. So it sticks out for the mirror where he comes along here with his truck and tries to spin him on the passenger side. Always hits the mirror, it's close, so if I get rid of that he'll be happy. As happy as can be. Happy as anyone can be, I suppose. Whatever happiness is. Happiness is with a chainsaw. There we go. still small, it feels like a small saw. Then again, I didn't range the 31 tree. That is a small saw. 31 tree for the balls. Alright, now if you're going to pour one of these, my thoughts, it does go right for a little old saw, but you will need to buy a carby that you can adjust properly. Now that's a standard carby. I can't adjust the high where the high should be, but it does go better. Like that log up there, that saw was never made for that log. It's just a straight hardwood. It could do it, but didn't like doing it. But not designed for it. But once I put the other carby in, I'll come back down here and do a cut on that again. I'll let that block there hopefully, and we'll see. But yeah, it goes well-ish. So far I'd say about 10%, 15% more power, but I want to get up to close to 30% of what I normally use. Alright guys, always usual, thanks for watching. Next video.